One of the most asked questions I get as a broadcast operator at WebinarGeek is what is the best setup for my webinar? My answer is always the same. It depends on your goals and on your budget. So in this video series I will share just that, how you can create the best webinar setup from a small USB type studio to a studio like this. We'll start small. The next two videos will discuss an intermediate type studio and an advanced type. In this video I will share with you how you can create a small but very powerful setup. What do I need? This is the most important question. And let me start by saying that everything in this video is opinion based. And we would love to hear what you think of today's equipment and what equipment you use. This is our list. A webcam, a microphone, a type of light, OBS and a quiet environment. Time to get geeked out. Let's take a look at all these products, starting with the webcam. I've already talked about the Logitech C92 Pro in a different video, and it's still a webcam that we definitely recommend and use in our office. But there is more than just one webcam. This is the Logitech Brio 4K Stream Edition. This is an Ultra HD webcam, meaning it can film or stream in 4K. It also comes with automatic light control. But for the light I have another device, but one thing at a time, let's look at the audio. Like with the webcam, I've also dedicated an entire video to the Blue Yeti mic, so check that one out. In short, the Blue Yeti mic is a USB condenser mic. This is a great, easy to use microphone that has multiple polar patterns, a zero latency headphone output and a gain knob. Because it is a USB microphone, you don't have to worry about buying an interface or mixer yet. It also comes with a stand, so you don't have to buy that either. Time for the lights. This is a new product in our basic setup, but it's amazing. I'm talking about the Litra Glow by Logitech, the premium streaming light for creators. And because this is a new product, we still have the box, so let's unbox it. So right now we are in OBS, and the first thing you will notice is that I've added the Logitech Brio 4K webcam I mentioned earlier in this video as a video capture device in OBS. This is a way for you to see what the quality of this webcam is and to see how the webcam films. But that's not why we are in this setting. We are in this setting, of course, to unbox the Litra Glow by Logitech for the first time. And the first thing you do with a new product is open the box. So let's cut these little tapes. And let's see what's inside. Now, on the box, it also says that it is True Soft, and True Soft means that it's like this softbox type of light, which is a lot easier on the eyes, you will notice when I turn it on. It has a desktop app control, you can download that for free. And of course, it's USB connected, otherwise it wouldn't be in this video. So, let's open the box. And there is our light. So, let's grab the light, and immediately you can see that there are buttons on the back. You see a plus, a min, an on and off switch, and one for warm light and for cold light. And now we need to find our USB cable, which is located underneath the manual right here. So now I'm going to connect the USB-C to USB-A cable to our light and then to my laptop. Let's put the box away. And now I have connected the Litra Glow to my laptop using the USB cable. Now, let's turn it on by pressing on the on and off switch. And yes, like I said before, if you press the on and off switch or the on and off button, you can see that the light slowly fades in. I will show it one more time. If you turn it off and on, you can see that the light slowly fades in, because that's a lot easier for your eyes. Imagine filming in the dark and suddenly you press the button and wham, right in your face is this very bright light. That's not nice. So that's why it's very handy that you have this True Soft technology, so the light slowly fades in. Let's look at the other buttons. So we have a plus and a min, and a warm and a cold button. Now if I press the min button here, the light will slowly fade away. and you have 5 options. So this is the lowest option. And if I press the button 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is the brightest light you can get with the Litra Glow. And then onto the other button for the warm and the cold light. Now it is on cold light, and if I press the button with the sunshine icon, you can see that the color temperature is getting warmer and warmer until it's like this. Here you also have 5 options. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It also comes with this very handy clip, so you can clip it on your laptop or computer, and it's also... With that said, this is an absolutely amazing light for you to use in your webinars or live streams. Why use these? If you're just starting out with webinars or live streaming, it's good to know that even you can use these products because they're all USB connected. So there's no trouble in setting up or connecting a device you don't fully understand yet. The second reason is the price to quality ratio. Now, all of these products have an absolutely amazing quality and a decent price. I did the math, and all the products I showed you today add up to around 290 euros or 310 USD. Today we have created an easy to use, affordable but high quality setup. So it's time to head in your studio and start streaming. If you enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about webinars, on how to host them, what gear to use and what it is like to work at a tech startup, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click like on this video and hit that notification bell. And let me know, what is your current setup? Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!